The TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most interesting mid-range smartphones launching in early 2026, February to be precise, and it's clear TCL is leaning heavily into productivity, high comfort, and premium features at a reasonable price. So, as we usually do on the channel, in this video we'll explore its top details and price. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So starting with the design, the phone has a plastic body and plastic frame, which helps keep costs down while still looking modern. What really stands out here is the IP68 rating, which means it's dust tight and water resistant up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, something you rarely see at this price point. On top of that, TCL includes stylus support, making this device appealing for note takers, students, and creatives. The display is where the NxtPaper 70 Pro truly shines. It features a massive 6.9-inch IPS LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a sharp 1080 by 2460 resolution. Under the hood, the phone runs on Android 16 out of the box and is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset or 7300 chipset built on an efficient 4nm process paired with the Mali G615 GPU. This chipset isn't the best in the market out there, but it's one of the best mid-range 5G chips, which should be able to handle daily tasks, multitasking, and even moderate gaming smoothly. You also get general storage options too, including 256GB paired with 8GB RAM or 512GB paired with the same 8GB RAM, although there is no SD card support. Now in the camera department, the device features a dual rear camera setup consisting of a 50MP main sensor with OIS support, which should help with sharper photos and more stable videos, especially in low light. It can record up to 4K videos at 30fps, while the selfie camera is 32MP and it supports 1440p videos, making it a strong option for content creators and video calls. Now, audio is handled by stereo speakers, but there is no 3.5mm headphone jack. Connectivity is well covered with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, and the device also supports dual SIM plus eSIM, which is quite nice. Powering everything is a 5200 mAh battery and it supports 30 watts wired fast charging. So as regarding the price of the TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro, well, according to the details, the device is expected to have a starting price of about $370. This makes it a premium mid-range contender in 2026, and this also makes it one of the most affordable mid-range 5G phones of 2026. But of course, all that I just said in this video are based on speculation and of course details that I was able to get online from legit sources, but they are not official, which means that they may not be entirely correct, including its price. So please make sure to take them with a pinch of salt. And if you feel like correcting anything that you think is wrong in this video, feel free to use the comment section below. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel to get more tech updates, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.